Hi, at the Science Factor, we are in the business of content transformation, and we're pursuing true personalized experiences. If you have used Notebook LM, is one of the great solutions that Google has provided that allows you to convert a lot of the content into video. If you have not used it, you should try it. Great opportunity for you to really learn in a different way. What we do is that plus much more, and that's what I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So first of all, we are integrated. So in this case, this is Canvas, but we integrate in any LMS, and we're able to read the lesson page in this case, or lecture page, and with all the content and all the information that you have in there, and we are able to generate a full video out of it. And the video is not just like another video like those in Notebook LM, but also it has a couple extra features. Number one, it allows you to actually have more curated content by leveraging the images and the source. So like these are the images from the source. I believe it was in some of these over here. Those are coming from the source. We are not generating those from AI, but these are actually coming from the source. As I mentioned before, this is section 5i compliant, and the video itself all fully accessible because it's HTML. This is not an MP4 video like you will get from Notebook LM. It obviously has the features like closed captioning and such that you have in there. But in addition to this, we also have the integration into LMS, as I mentioned before. So we are able to do this automated, but we're also then tracking the knowledge of the student. Let me show you this in a second.
Let's dive into the building block of elements, the atom. An atom consists of a Now, let's test your understanding.
So because I'm doing a demo on this one really quick here, let me come back to this other solution here. Like I show you, this is the PDF version of it, right? So this is from OpenStax. We're able to do the same thing. We're able to convert a full PDF into this video that provides the sources from the images. But once you go through this, we are tracking understanding. How are we doing that?
Absolute value is simply a number's distance from 0 on the number line. Think of it like a car trip. We write the absolute value of a number by putting...
And then we have the knowledge check, right? So this is actually being tracked in the database in the system. We're able to know the student, we're able to know the topic, we're able to know where they're struggling. So if, like in this case, I picked this wrong, it's gonna be able to track that and provide that in a dashboard to the faculty member and the student. And so it gives you that power of the data around the information that you have in here. So far we have discussed a couple features that we have, right? To summarize, the integration in the LMS, fully integrated, as I show you in here. From the student perspective, they just have these toggles. You click on it and you're able to watch the video or even listen to a podcast. We are also Section 5i compliant. We are developing videos that are fully accessible from the scratch. It has all the tags and everything, even the images that you see in here are automatically tagged with the information. You will have also the ability now to edit that. I'm not going over that in this video, but this gives you a sense of the sections and the content, and that you can edit later on, so you can have more power to that if you wanted to do that sort of thing. Now, the last thing I wanna show you, which is really the power of using AI into the very, very near future that you can also use with our tool, is the ability to empower users, right? In this case, you are the user, the instructional designer, or faculty member, and you're generating the content. But what about if the student was generating the content? In this case, this is the same PDF in there. Again, we could have, and showing you the PDF, but fully integrated. Imagine the same content that we have in the LMS. Right? And then we generate a video. I want to show you this video that this was based on a few questions asked to the user, the same concept, but now tailored to what the student has more engagement, which in this case happens to be that the user likes AI and likes gaming.
Welcome, future AI guru. To master the big bosses of machine learning, you first need to conquer the starting zone, integers. Think of this as your tutorial level for the epic math RPG you're about to play. Let's get you geared up. All right, let's talk multiple...
So you get a sense of that, right? If I continue moving along.
Now for the fun part. The rules are simple. Think of positive. When signs are the same, the result.
So this is a very creative way to really make it more meaningful to you as the user. And again, this is something the end user, in this case the student, has the power to control, is fully embedded into their learning ecosystem, which in this case is the LMS. And more importantly, we're also tracking the experience.
When the signs are different,
in this case, via a knowledge check, that we're planning on continue revamping this as well. But now we are able to determine if the student is truly understanding the concepts. So
multiplying.
I hope this kind of entices you to get in contact with us. Take a look at what we have done. Please feel free to reach out and see how we can help you. Thank you.